little friends. For more videos like this, subscribe.